Hello students, here once again myself Mansalam. Today we are going to do practically in the composer as we have all done in the previous videos, that is creating the form, inserting the form fills properties, that is text box, a radio button, etc., and inserting the image, hyperlink and navigation. All we will done in this video. Doing this practical, creating the composer in the composer. So we will start by creating the plaza as in given in the chapter number 3. So in this plaza we will do a plaza also and form also. In this form we will do or insert the field properties also, and inserting the image, hyperlink and all this navigation. So let's start. So click on this composer and open the composer. As you can see, the composer screen is over here, it's opening. So for creating the plaza, firstly we will create the table of how many. So today we will create a school plaza, so we will take 3 by 2 columns, that is 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, so I'm taking over here 3 rows and 2 columns. Resize this table. By resizing this table, merge these 2 columns, that is row 1 and 2 columns. So by clicking and selecting and drag this to the second and right click on that and choose the last second option, that is join selected cells. By clicking on that, give the center align over here, that is in center align, left align, right align and justification. So click on this right center align and write down this school plaza, or you can take any other plaza, suppose mall or jewelry shop or bookstalls, any other. So we are taking the example of only which is given in the textbook. So we will take in school plaza, resize it, give the text style. I'm selecting over here this, I'm resizing by this, giving the bold, italic, underline effect and this color by clicking on this and OK. So my editing is over here done. Now after that, by giving this title, we will insert over here images. I have taken this 3 rows and 2 columns. So in this 4 blocks I insert this 4 image. You can insert as per your wish. You can also insert the 2 images or more than 4. Here I am on this second row and the first column. So inserting the image, as I hope you are already known how to insert the image. Forget that, we will do once again. So click on this image location, image property dialog box, click on this browser, select any one image. Suppose we are clicking this blackboard or green board, open it and select this option, do not use alternate text, select it and OK. So image is inserted. Over here the cursor is blinking beside this image. Enter and give about the name or text according to this image. So here I am taking this green board as a text and I will go into this next box or next column, that is second row and the second column. Again I will inserting the image, browser, suppose Kelsey, and open, and I'm clicking over here do not use alternate text and then OK. So over here my second image is also inserted. The cursor is blinking beside this image only. I'll press the enter and write down the calculator. Okay, now I'm going in this last row, that is third row and the first column. So over here I also insert the image. Click on this image, browser, select any one image. I'm taking this computer and open. I'm taking this do not use alternate text. Okay, and where I'm writing this computer. After that, again I will insert this image. Select any one image from here. I'm selecting over here, suppose paper or report, and OK. I'm selecting do not use alternate text and OK. I'm writing suppose papers. After inserting these image and getting the formatted, we will set the background image in this beside or background image. So we will click on this format. In format, select the last second option, that is page color and background. From this dialog box is open. I'm repeating once again. If you want to set the background image or color, go to the format, select this page background and color. You can select from this option also. From this, select any one image, or if you don't want to insert the image, you can select this colors. So select on this and select any one color. Here I am taking this and OK and OK. The color background will be changed, as you can see. So over here your first page is created. So save this, as we all see this untitled and from this red color. So we'll save this first page by giving the name A and OK on this desktop, and simply click on the save. Now we will create another page by clicking on this new. The new page is created. Over here we will take or select the one any of these two images. We are taking this and just copy it. Right click on that, select the copy, and over here we will just paste. By giving and pasting this image, we will write this green board, company names whatever, or price, or number of pieces, number of quantity, or suppose we are taking 10. Over here I'll give some price heading, company name give as per your wish. Over here I'm giving this Navneet. So edit it as per your requirement. Over here I'm giving this requirement. I'm saving this second page also, so save it. I'm giving this page number B and OK. Save it on the desktop only and click on this save. The first and second page is saved it. On the first page the name is A, and on the second page the name is B, which we have written some information regarding the first image, that is a boat. Now again we will create another page for this another image. So clicking on this new, another page is created. From first page, click or select any other image. Here I am taking this computer image, copy it, copy, and over here we will do the paste. I'm writing the computer. Number of quantity, we are taking suppose 26. Price, we are giving suppose 30,000, and company name I am giving suppose HP. Okay, now same, resize it or edit it. Now after giving this, we have to save the third page also. So now click on the save. I am giving over here page as in C and this OK. Save on the desktop and click on the save. So we have created 3 pages, that is A. If on A page, that is our index page or home page. On the second page we have inserted one image, as we already inserted in the first page. In the third page we have inserted the second image. You can resize this image also, and you can see I have changed changes the little bit, so it is contained in the red color. So save it again. Now also create one new page. Over here we will create some form. This is a shopping, online shopping or school plaza. If you want to click on this, if you want to purchase on this, we will click and navigate to this page. If we click on this, it will navigate to this page. And over here we will give hyperlink also for order now, and over here we will give now. Okay, you can give as per your wish. And over here we will create the form. So creating the form, firstly we will click on this form. We will give the form name, suppose plaza, and on the action URL we will give the same name as we have given in this form name, but in the action URL we will write the plaza.html. The method we will set as an get, and click on the OK 3 times. After clicking this 3 times, the form is created. So after the form is created, we will insert the table. So for the table, click on this table, insert this 6 rows and 2 columns. Okay, as you can see, 6 rows and 2 columns is inserted. Over here we will take the limited information only, as we done on online shopping or something else. So over here we will write enter name, enter contact number, enter address, and mode of payment. So this information is, I hope it is this much is required only. So for this last row we will delete this by selecting, so it will delete it. Okay, so now we will last row we will merge for this button. So merge it and select this last second option, that is run selected cells. Okay, now here we will insert the form fill properties. So click on this. We will, for the name we will insert the text box. So click on this form little bit arrow down button and click on this form fill property. From the fill type we will select this text only. For the text box we will insert the text. Fill name as give you, I'm giving this A, and keep it empty in this initial value and this OK. Okay, the text box is inserted. For this contact number only we will insert the text box. So over here you can copy also. So select on this text box, right click on this, copy it, and over here you can paste it. Okay, now over here address for the delivery. So we will take the text area. So click on this forms and click on this text area, give the name suppose B, and number of rows we are taking suppose 4, and over here we will taking suppose 12, and OK. The text area is inserted. For the mode of payment we will use a selection list also and the radio button also. So as for your comfort, what you want to insert for the mode of payment, selection list or radio button. Over here I'm inserting this selection list from the from property selection list name, which is that is payment. Click on this add option. From text we will write down COD, that is cash on delivery. Add option, debit card, credit, and OK. So our selection list is inserted. You can also give the text selection list also and the radio button also. For the radio button we will click on this form fill, select this radio button. Group name will be same for all the radio buttons. So we are taking over here suppose P, and I am writing suppose on here COD and OK. So one radio button is inserted. Write down this, and for another give some space. Again insert second radio button for the second option. So for field types, radio button, group name will be same as we have given in the first one, that is P, and over here we will give debit and OK. So we will write over here debit, leave some space, and for the third, from field, select the radio button, group name will be same, that is P, and over here we will give credit and OK, and we write credit. So this way you can also edit or insert the radio button also and the selection list also. So over here I had inserted both selection list and radio button for your understandable. So you can insert only one, that is selection list or radio button. So here I am removing this selection list and keeping this radio button, and over here I am inserting this button. So from field, click on this simple button, and I am giving over here suppose BNT, and I'm in the field value, that name will be in the submit. It will display on the O button, as you can see. So save this fourth page also. So click on the save. Over here I will give the name D and OK and save. This two pages also we have done some changes, so save it that also. Now after creating this 4 page, we will also create another page. Over here we will write the successfully message. The suppose your order is placed, added it, resizing by this, and save this by giving the name E and save. Okay, so 5 pages created. Now we will create the hyperlink according to the pages. For this we will click or select this image is set on this page B, so we will give the hyperlink to the B, select this and give the hyperlink through this, or right click on this and select this create link. For this click on the browser. Over here you can see our 5 pages is saved. So we will select this page B and open and OK. So link is created, and for this third, that is computer, we will give link this computer to the page C. So click on this or select it, create a link, open, select this C and open and OK. So now students, remember one thing, your image is on the which page, otherwise it's navigate to the wrong page. So we have given this green blackboard to this B, and this computer this to the C. Okay, so now for this B, this order right now we will select it and create link to the page D, because when the order now, we will click on the order now, it's navigate to this form. So click on this link and we will move to the page D. So open and click on this page D and open and OK. Similarly on this C, click, open. The 2 pages navigate to the 1 page only, that is page D, open and OK. So on this 3 pages we have done the hyperlink. So from now the D, the button will hyperlink to the page E. So right click on this button and select the option that is create link, open this, and we will select this last option, that is E, and open and OK. So over here we have done all these changes, so save it one by one, going to the one by one pages. So now after that, browser it. For this browser we will click on the browser. As you can see, our page is displayed. So by clicking on this text or image, it will navigate to the page this. Order now, it will navigate to the page D. Enter your information, okay, and submit it. You can see COD debit, it's disabled. It's unselected from the debit. Again we will cash on delivery, it is unselected from the credit. Now we will submit. It's navigate to the this message, that is your order is placed it. Okay students, so over here again I am clicking on this image or text. It will navigate to this image, that is C. Book now, it navigate to this page B. Give the information and debited or cash on delivery and submit it, navigate to the place D. So this is how we will create the form, inserting the image, creating hyperlink and informations, form fields and properties. So I hope students you understood how the composer is work, how we will insert the image, how we will create the hyperlink, and this hyperlink process is known as an navigation. So till that, stay home, stay safe, and thank you.